Hi everyone, today we're cooking chicken spicy sambal.
Let's start our recipe. Put oil and wait until it becomes hot. Now add chicken in oil one by one. Put carefully because the oil is hot and it can comes out. Put all chicken inside oil and let it fry. After you put all chicken in oil, wait for fry and you can cover up. So now our fried chicken is ready. It's hot and spicy. It looks very delicious. So now we ready to cook sambal. Put some oil and wait until it's hot. Now put cinnamon in oil. Put fennel seeds inside oil. Now add cumin inside. Wait for boil. Now we add onions. Add tomatoes. Now mix it well. Now add lemongrass. Mix all ingredients well inside oil. Now add some salt according to your taste. Mix it well. Now add blender mixer of garlic, ginger, turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now add homemaker chili sambal. Mix it well. Wait until it smells nice. Now add curry leaves. It's good for health and hair growth. And mix it well. Now we wait until our sambal boils. Now as you see our sambal boil already. Now we add our fried chicken inside sambal and mix it well. Now add mint leaves to our chicken sambal. Let it cook for 5 minutes and our chicken spicy sambal is ready to serve. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.